Hello friends, in today's video we will be talking about flower bulbs that bloom in the summer and are planted at the beginning of the spring season. Once you plant these flower bulbs in your garden, you won't need to buy new bulbs again in the future. Their bulbs multiply on their own. You just need to provide them with well-drained, loose soil and avoid overwatering. The bulbs you see first are a chimneys bulbs. They are available in 5 different colors. A 4 to 5 inch pot is sufficient for them. Next are day lily bulbs. You will find many varieties of these, including single orange, double orange, yellow, and brown hybrid varieties. You can plant them in an 8 to 10 inch pot. Next are football lily bulbs. These produce large football shaped flower in a red color. You can plant them in a 10 to 11 inch pot. Next are amaryllis lily bulbs. These are available in both single and double varieties. They are available in mixed colors as well as separate colors. In fifth place are curcuma lily bulbs. You will find these available in 3 separate colors: pink, white and cream. Next are alocasia bulbs. They don't produce flowers, but their leaves are decorative. You can add them to your garden as well. Two varieties are available. Next are gloriosa lily bulbs. These are available in mixed color as well as separate colors. The separate colors available are dark red, pink and yellow. Next are caladium bulbs. Caladium bulbs are available in 3 to 4 imported varieties, along with the bulbs of its native variety. In 10th place are the Bhumi plumeria bulbs. A rare variety with pure white flowers is also available. You should definitely add this to your garden as well. Next are Kela lily bulbs. Both their leaves and their flowers are quite beautiful. You can grow them in semi-shade. Next are Ifafa lily bulbs. They look similar to rain lily bulbs. They are available in 2 colors. They produce very colorful flowers. Next are ginger lily bulbs. This flower bulb belongs to the ginger family. The plant is similar to ginger. The pot size for this should be 10 to 12 inches. Separate bulbs of different colors are also available. Finally, there are the bulbs of Nerine, Spider and Lycoris lily. Their bulbs look similar, but they produce flowers of different colors. Friends, you can order all 15 varieties of flower bulbs by sending a WhatsApp message to the number shown on the screen. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.